Today, we will have a group discussion on data governance. We have Jay, Ria, Rahul, Sachi, and Piyush here to share their thoughts. Let's start with Jay. Jay, can you explain what data governance is?
Sure. Data governance is a framework that ensures data is managed properly. It involves policies, processes, and standards to make sure that data is accurate, secure, and used correctly.
Great introduction, Jay. Ria, why do you think data governance is important? Data governance is important because it helps organizations maintain data integrity and security. With proper governance, data becomes a valuable asset that can be used to make informed decisions. It also ensures compliance with laws and regulations, which is essential to avoid legal issues. Excellent points, Ria. Rahul, can you discuss some key components of data governance?
Of course, key components of data governance include data quality management, data security, and data stewardship. Data quality management ensures the data is accurate and consistent. Data security involves protecting data from unauthorized access and breaches. Data stewardship assigns responsibility to individuals for managing and safeguarding data.
Well said, Rahul. Sachi, how does data governance relate to data analysis and the topics we discussed earlier, like univariate and bivariate analysis?
Data governance is essential for data analysis because it ensures that the data we analyze is reliable and accurate. For example, during univariate and bivariate analysis, we need high-quality data to get meaningful insights. If the data is not governed well, the results of our analysis can be misleading or incorrect.
Very true, Sachi. Piyush, can you share some challenges organizations might face with data governance?
Sure. One major challenge is getting everyone in the organization to follow the data governance policies. Another challenge is integrating data from different sources and ensuring it meets the governance standards. Additionally, keeping up with evolving regulations and ensuring data security in the face of cyber threats can be difficult.
Those are significant challenges, Piyush. Let's discuss some solutions or best practices. Jay, do you have any thoughts on this?
A good practice is to have a clear data governance framework that includes roles and responsibilities. Regular training and awareness programs can help ensure everyone understands the importance of data governance. Using technology and tools to automate data quality checks and security measures can also be very effective.
Yes, it's also important to have a data governance committee or team dedicated to overseeing the implementation and adherence to data policies. Regular audits and reviews can help identify and address issues early on. Collaboration between IT and business units is crucial to ensure data governance aligns with organizational goals. Fantastic points, Ria. Rahul, any final thoughts on the future of data governance?
Of course, key components of data governance include data quality management, data security, and data stewardship. Data quality management ensures the data is accurate and consistent. Data security involves protecting data from unauthorized access and breaches. Data stewardship assigns responsibility to individuals for managing and safeguarding data.
That's a great perspective, Rahul. Thank you all for your valuable insights on data governance. This concludes our group discussion. I hope you all learned a lot today.